So we're on Chapter 3, Lecture 3, and we're going to be looking at mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances, but each substance keeps its own properties. So a mixture can vary in composition. So the composition varies. I can think of a salad. A salad can have tomatoes in it, and it can have more tomatoes on one side of the salad than it can have on the other side of the salad. Mixtures can be separated physically, so I can reach in and just take the tomatoes out. And substances have the same properties as when separate. The tomato is the tomato, whether it's in the salad or not. So examples are salt water. Salt water is a mixture of water and salt. Iron, Fe, and sulfur, S. If we mix them together, we have a mixture. Iron is a dark brown and sulfur is a bright yellow. And the aforementioned salad. So these are types of mixtures. A mixture can be heterogeneous, so it does not blend throughout, and the individual particles or substances remain separate. A mixture can be homogeneous, where everything is blended together. We say there is one single phase. This is also referred to as a solution. You have to know a homogeneous mixture is a solution. If the solution is dissolved in water, it is an aqueous solution. So when we say NaClAq, we are saying salt dissolved in water. Other examples of aqueous solutions are Kool-Aid and antifreeze, which is in your car radiator, dissolved in water. Mixtures can be separated by physical processes. These processes include filtration. This is how we separate a solid from a liquid. So I'm sure we've all experienced filtering before, especially if you drink coffee. Distillation is a process where two liquids can be separated from each other based on boiling points. If one liquid boils at 40 degrees Celsius and the other liquid boils at 100 degrees Celsius, all we have to do is to heat the substance up to something above 40 degrees but below 100. And the 40 degree substance will boil away while the 100 degree substance stays behind. Crystallization is a process of removing a solid that is dissolved in water. So if you dissolve sugar in water, if you evaporate the water away, then the sugar is left behind. And this is how we make rock candy. Sublimation is the process by which a solid changes directly to a vapor. The classic example is dry ice, CO2, carbon dioxide, in the solid phase. The carbon dioxide will sublime directly into CO2 gas. And last, chromatography. It's a technique for separating substances dissolved in some kind of a liquid by dipping in a piece of paper and watching the substances be attracted to the paper at different rates. So chromatography. And that is it for today, so we'll see you tomorrow.